Hello everyone, myself TP Pradeepa, Department of Computer Science, KCS Kasinada College of Arts and Science. In this video, I am going to discuss about some basic concept of computer networks. Topics going to cover data communication, types of network, line configuration, topology and transmission modes. What is data communication? Data communication refers to the exchange of digital data between two or more devices via transmission media. To transmit the data from sender to receiver, we need the basic components. The basic components are sender, receiver, message, medium, and protocol. And who is the sender? The device that sends the data or message is called sender. The sender may be a computer, workstations, telephone, camera, or any other devices. Receiver. The device that receives the data or message is called receiver. It can be a workstation, computer, printer, and fax machine, and many other devices. Message. Message is the information or data that is communicated. It may consist of a text, number, image, or any other multimedia messages. Medium. The path through which data is sent or transmitted from one location to another is called medium or communication channel. It may be wired or wireless. Protocol. Protocol is a set of rules. These rules tells what type of data are transmitted and how it is transmitted, when it is transmitted. That is protocol. Next topic is type of networks. There are different type of networks are available. These networks are based on geographical area it covered. That is personal area network, local area network, metropolitan network, wide area network. Personal area network, PAN, it is a network arrange the nodes in a minimum range between 10 meters. Example of PAN is Bluetooth. Then LAN. LAN is a group of devices connected together within the same building, like school, hospital. MAN. It is a larger network that usually connect several buildings in the same city. It's a wide area network that extends over a large area such as states or countries. Internet is the biggest WAN in the world. Next topic is line configuration. Line configurations refers to the pathway of communicating devices, that is, a link between the devices. There are two types of links, point-to-point and multi-point. Point-to-point has a dedicated link between the two devices and the entire capacity of the link is reserved for a two connected devices. And multi-point link is shared between more than two devices. The channel capacity is shared among the devices connected to the link. Next topic is topology. Topology defines the physical and logical arrangements of the links in a network. Basic type of topologies are mesh, star, bus, ring, and tree. Mesh topology. Each device in the network is interconnected with each other. In this network, we need n into n minus 1 divided by 2 connections. This where n is denoted to the number of nodes presented in the network. In this network, it has high reliability, security, and it is not easy to maintain. Bus topology. In this bus topology, network devices connected through a common cable. This common cable is called backbone of the bus topology. This line has two endpoints, that is called terminator. The devices are connected to the backbone through links. That link is called drop lines. In this network, in this topology, transmit the data in both directions. If the cable fails in the network or backbone fails, the whole network will fail. It has less reliability and low cost, easy to maintenance. Star topology. All the computers are connected to a single hub through a cable is called star topology. Hub is a central node. Every node has its own dedicated connection to the hub. In this topology, easy to find the errors and the performance of the topology based on the hub. Ring topology. Ring topology form a ring as each computer is connected to another computer. Every computer has two neighbors for each other. The transmission is unidirectional in this topology. It is easy to install and easy to maintain, but if any failures occurs in the link, the whole network performance will fail. Next topic is transmission modes. The transmission modes in computer networks means transferring of data between the two devices. There are three transmission modes: simplex, half duplex. Simplex is a one-way transmission. Only one can send the message, another one can receive the message. The receiver cannot send the replay back to the sender. The best example of this simplex is television broadcasting. Half duplex. Half duplex is the two-way transmission, but only one device only can send a message at a time. The best example is walkie-talkie. Full duplex. In this full duplex, both can send the message in the same time, and sending and receiving can occur. The best example of full duplex is telephone communication. Thank you.